Hello guys, and today I'm going to be doing a CD unboxing, and this is MrMethane.com, Anal Man from the Man of the Rumbling Ring. And here's the all songs on the back. MrMethane.com, Flat Take the Conga Pop, 12th Night, It's Flatulation Rock, Madame, Spring/Hamlet, Romeo and Juliet, Cut the Cheese, Dance Pop, Green Sleeves, As You Like It, Blue Danube, Taming of the Shrew, Total Clear Out, Reggae, 12th Night Part 2, Swan Lake or Swan Lake, Hello, Beethoven's Ninth, Richard III, Hamlet, and then 1812 Overture, or 1812 Overture. Yeah, anyway, it says by Castle Select, approximate running time of 50 minutes. Yeah, it should be by Bio Productions. This show, because actually makes the Mr. Methane merchandise. Yeah, look, read down here, or even listen to me more. I actually can't see because I've got a rubbish camera. Warning: anyone attempting to copy Mr. Methane should do so in a well-ventilated room. Anyway, let's unbox it, shall we? So, I'm gonna unbox it. There we go. And then there's the disc, and you can see. Oh, this turns out to be a book. That's cool. Here's the back. Yeah, here's a few scenes in Mr. Methane. Let's read it. Oh. Yeah, see, here you go, by Bio Productions. Yeah, I'll give you a look at some of the pictures. I'm not skipping a page. Yeah, and there's Mr. Methane there. And you can pause the video if you want to read that, if you want to. And there's some more things here, like here's Mr. Methane, different locations. Yeah, there's the Statue of Liberty, so there he is in New York. Greetings from the globe trotting Guff Guru. There's Mr. Methane in London. Yeah, I think that's Mr. Methane Tokyo there, I don't know. And there's other locations. And there's another page here. Yeah, and guess what? Here's Mr. Methane when he was 7. Yeah, if you didn't know, Mr. Methane's identity is actually Paul Oldfield, it is. Master Methane, age 7, look at that. There's young Paul Oldfield, wearing like a tie and things. And there's some more stuff here. Yeah, and you can read that if you want to. Yeah, and that's the book. Yeah, do you want to read this? If you... Yeah, you can read this if you like. Yeah, sorry if there's like a sort of glare on the light, sorry. Yeah, it's really hard to see sometimes, this thing. There you go. I'll keep it still for a second. Pause. See, so I'll just show you the disc. Here you go. See, here's the disc. MrMethane.com. Here's the back of the disc. And then this is like the interior of the disc. Put the disc there. Here's the interior of the disc. Mr. Methane right there. So, thanks for watching everyone, and make sure you subscribe and like, and thanks for watching. See ya.